Good morning, good morning, good morning. And I'm back with another review quickly. Taking a quick break. Ooh, I'm looking scruffy. Man, I gotta look at all these gray hairs. Oh my God, I need a haircut. Get all that taken care of before Sunday. And happy Father's Day. Happy early Father's Day to all of the fathers out there in the world, in the land. Appreciate all of y'all. Y'all know all that good stuff, yada, yada, yada. Shout out to Sis 313 Retro Queen for pulling it out in the sneaker battle last night. Went down to the wire. Man, my nerves was on edge and I wasn't even in the battle. That's why I don't battle. And that's why I don't be a judge. Shout out to the judges because I know it's not difficult. That's why they call me High Road. But nonetheless, go subscribe to Sis 313 Retro Queen, MCFLYKOF, PMKICKZ, and the Who Has the Heat channel. Also, check out my feature channels. If you see it, Jonah Vlogs, Do Channel, Shoes Up, Sleeves Down, Do Channel, Ash Review. I think she just hit over 20K. We got Pam Money up in there. We got Melanie Sweden. And I think that's it. I hope I ain't leaving nobody out because that'll be pretty bad. You got a channel featured and you don't know everybody up there. Now, with that being said, and make sure you hit that thumbs up and like, subscribe to this channel. Next giveaway will be at 7,500, but the big shing ding will be at 10K. Now, let's get into this review. While I was waiting on my daughter at the mall yesterday, I don't know, these weren't really on my radar, but for the price, what you gonna do? And bam, PP personal pair, size 10, great, dope for the summer. You see it, that's right, a Jordan 1 low crimson tint. I know I'm gonna catch some flack from people being a hypocrite. Yes, official colorway, black, Arctic orange, white. Arctic orange. Yeah, that's right. It looked pink to me though. I swear it looked pink to me, but hey, it is what it is. It's just a retail price, $190 of them things. You see the QR code. We got this box that just won't go away, but it's crispy. Got it from Shoe Palace with tax. $94 for the receipt police out there. And I tried these on. So yes, you can grow true to size. I'm only gonna have size up, but these you can grow true to size and still have room. Crispy 23 paper. You have your stamper ramp up there. And like I always say, the Jordan ones, the foam polish, they have that smell. You gotta do the sniff test. Nothing like a fresh pack. I think that's what get everybody. It's got like this smell that's very addictive. And bang, you see that? Crimson tint, salmon look. They saying Arctic orange, but I swear this looks like pink. Y'all let me know what y'all think. I think Jordan brand be coming up with their own colors. I may do a lace swap. Y'all let me know. Should I try to find something with the Arctic orange, hint, hint, laces, or maybe should I go some green like the high top? But it has some pretty good materials on these joints, I must say. As we take a quick spin-a-rooney around underneath, as you can see, typical Air Jordan 1 outsole. Coming around on the toe. Oh, not bad on the toe box. Leather is not the greatest, but it's not, I've seen worse. Stitching is on point. You got right here, Arctic orange. You got your black laces, nylon tongue, stitched in Jumpman right there. Coming around on the side on your panels, you got black, and you got a little pebbly. You got a little tumble rumble on the swoosh. Coming around on the ash, you got a stitched in Air Jordan, as you can see that in the clutch. And on the back, you got some more of that tumble rumble. Coming around on the side, some more tumble rumble. So I think this is a clean shoe. You definitely can pull it off for the summer. A lot of I always say it's been an all-white summer, but you can rock these on the summer. A lot of people don't like lows for whatever reason may have you, but hey, it is what it is. Pretty much Jordan's not, don't matter. It's not a basketball shoe. It's a lifestyle shoe, so it really ain't that serious. Shoe tree should say 10 and a half. You got your production date on these, should be relatively new. Yes, which it is. Came out and took 2 months this year. 1 So 1/6/21 to 3/11/21. Inside, you can see you got that Arctic orange as well. So with that being said, you don't want to break the bank for the high tops for $170. You can grab low tops for $90. And if you got any discounts, you can use that on top of it and get it for even cheaper. So I don't know what y'all think. Are these keepers or just sleepers? I might, if I can get another pair cheaper, I might let these go, but we'll see and play it by ear, because y'all know got a lot of shoes coming out, fours, the Griffey pack, all of that stuff, and I needs to be on it. So with that being said, on the Litty Lit meter for these two joints, $90 price point, pretty dope colorway, because people didn't really like the ones after you first saw them, and then they kind of tank. You can probably still get them for a pretty good resale. So on the Little meter, I give it about a 4.5 out of 5. 4.5 out of 5. You guys leave a comment suggestion below. Let me know what you think. Is this your cup of tea? Is this too much black for the spring or the summer? Or can you rock these lows? And I will respond back to you within a reasonable time. I don't know, sometimes I'm not getting the message, so I will get back to you as soon as you can. Thanks for all the love and support. Thumbs up, like, subscribe. I'm out. Peace.